Greetings one and all, my name is Suhani Sahu.
My name is Ayushi Mishra.
My name is Dashanand.
And we are the students of class 9 from DPS Paradip Refinery.
Our topic for ETL Space Challenge 2021 is meteorite prediction. We can predict meteor landing, calculate the approximate speed, mass, and the area over which it will land. We can also get information about the previously landed meteoroids. We all know that meteorite impact almost certainly contributed to the death of dinosaurs. The meteorite which wiped out the dinosaurs is located in the Yucatan Peninsula. It is known as Chicxulub. But during that time, other claustrophobic activities were also going on. Some scientists believe that it was a chain of events rather than one single meteorite which led to the mass extinction. One of the reasons may be about the heavy volcanic activities going on in the western India that led to the climate change. Not all animals perished, only some survived. Some believe that no animal larger than a dog survived to this mass extinction that killed the dinosaur. Do not repeat this thing in future, and to ensure the continuation of some animal species and human existence, this topic has been chosen by us.
Hundreds of small members of the solar system are known to have crossed the Earth's orbit in the past, and many others will do so in the centuries ahead. What would we do if we knew a few years in advance that one of these bodies will hit the Earth? Meteoroids are the chunks of the rock that the break of the comet. Sometimes meteors enter the Earth's atmosphere, burning up, forming streaks of light called comets or shooting stars. At Southwest Africa, weight about 60,000 kg. Kolkata museums have some meteoroids as exhibits.
This app is made with the help of artificial intelligence or AI, which involves using computers to do things that traditionally require human intelligence. This means creating algorithms to classify, analyze, and draw predictions from data. It is mainly made from the softwares Google Colab, Python, and Visual Studio Code, which are commonly used for developing websites and software, task automation, data analysis, and data visualization. This application will be able to locate the previously landed meteoroids with their geolocation, which is helpful for the scientists. And this application will also be able to predict about the meteors which can strike on the Earth's surface by the help of latitudinal and longitudinal extent, geolocation, moon phases, hemispheres, different seasons, and months.
Here, if we click on the blue markers, we can see the important features of the meteorites which have already landed on the Earth's surface.
Some of the meteorites called chondrites contain chrondules. A chondrule is a mineral grain and spherical. They were formed at the time of the birth of the solar system. Studying chrondules will help us understand the formation of solar system. It may also tell us about the undiscovered stars, planets, and other heavenly bodies. Hence, meteorites are important to scientists, and prediction of it may prove fruitful in the near future.
This is a fictional part of the app where we can predict meteors. There is the requirement of highly experienced coders.
This is a demo of the possible app in future. It is made with the help of Python and Visual Studio Code.
All meteoroids come from inside our solar system. Most of them are fragments of asteroids that broke apart long ago in the asteroid belt, located between Mars and Jupiter. Such fragments orbit the Sun for some time, often millions of years before colliding with Earth. Scientists spend their careers studying meteoroids because they contain a record of our solar system history going back some 4.6 billion years ago. Studying meteoroids, we can learn details about how our solar system evolves into the Sun and planet of today, and how meteoroids could affect our future.